In this module, we will begin with an overview of bioceramic materials, their definition, and historical development. Bioceramics are advanced materials specifically designed for use in medical and dental applications. They exhibit excellent biocompatibility and bioactivity, which makes them suitable for a variety of clinical procedures. Historically, bioceramics have evolved significantly, with major milestones including the development of mineral trioxide aggregate in the early 1990s, followed by newer materials like bioaggregate and biodentine. These materials have transformed endodontic practice by offering superior properties compared to traditional materials. Bioceramics can be classified into three main categories based on their interaction with biological tissues. First, we have bioinert materials such as alumina and zirconia, which are stable and do not interact significantly with surrounding tissues. These materials are commonly used for their structural properties and durability. Second, bioactive materials like bioactive glass and calcium phosphates actively promote bonding with bone and other tissues. These materials are particularly beneficial in endodontics for their ability to support the healing process. Finally, biodegradable bioceramics, including certain polymers and bioactive glasses, are designed to break down over time and be replaced by natural tissues. This property makes them useful in applications where gradual integration with the body is desired. Bioceramics play a crucial role in endodontics due to their unique properties. They provide excellent sealing ability, which is essential for preventing bacterial infiltration and ensuring the long-term success of endodontic treatments. Compared to traditional materials such as gutta percha and zinc oxide eugenol, bioceramics offer superior biocompatibility and promote tissue regeneration. These properties make them ideal for various endodontic applications, including root canal therapy, root and filling, perforation repair, and apexification. Their ability to interact positively with biological tissues enhances healing and improves clinical outcomes. There are several types of bioceramic materials used in endodontics, each with its unique properties and applications. The most widely recognized are mineral trioxide aggregate, bioaggregate, and biodentine. MTA is known for its excellent sealing ability and biocompatibility, making it suitable for a variety of endodontic procedures. Bioaggregate is another popular choice, offering enhanced bioactivity and tissue healing properties. Biodentine, on the other hand, is renowned for its rapid setting time and ease of handling, making it ideal for dentin replacement and pulp capping procedures. In the following modules, we will explore each of these materials in detail.